In this Robinhood tutorial, let's take a look at how to enable Face ID on Robinhood. So we're going to go to our security settings. If you go down to the little person icon in the lower right, and then the upper left, you're going to find your menu. Instead of there, we scroll down just a little bit and we see security and privacy. So we'll click on that, and then inside of here, we're going to go down to create passkey. And once we create a new passkey, we'll basically override if you already have one, or you'll just create a new one. So we're going to create new passkey, and we're allowed to sign in with a passkey. So that's basically like using Face ID to sign in. So we're going to hit continue on that. Actually, it's right here, Apple Touch ID or Face ID to sign into your account. Go through these steps. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with the way that I'm recording. Just continue. You'll be able to create a new passkey and then enable Face ID on your account. We're going to go ahead and go through and see if I have any trouble with it. So I'm going to hit continue. It's creating a passkey. Basically, you have to turn on iCloud keychain to save your passkey. So I don't have that on this phone, but go through these steps and you're going to be able to enable Face ID by creating that new passkey. And that's how you can enable Face ID on Robinhood.